Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Hesha Chima, and joining me on the show today is Abhay Verma. Definitely a star in the making because he's breaking stereotypes and he's right here with his film that's crossed 65 crores. The Munja actor, Abhay.
Isha, thank you for the lovely introduction.
Listen, you deserve it, and you totally deserve to be here doing this
Thank
chat with all of us and getting all the love that you've been getting.
I truly feel that I don't deserve it still to chat with you and of course to be worthy of the love which I'm getting. But still, if you say so, I'll admit to that.
No, I think you're being humble. But पता है, when I was coming here also, I was thinking मैं अब से क्या बात करूँगी because the first time only I spoke to you, I think I spoke a lot
Yeah.
about you. I got to know you a little better, and in fact there were other people also, but I still had a good, nice chat with you. But then when I was actually parking my car, this thought came to me. सर उसको सब पूछ रहे होंगे कैसा लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है. अरे obviously अच्छा लग रहा है यार, movie अच्छा कर रही है, everything is doing good. I really want to ask him this particular thing. How many times did you relive and envision becoming this successful and getting the love that you're getting from this film? I know you define success different, but the love that you're getting, वो कितनी बार envision किया? Because I remember you telling me in my first chat, I'm that boy from Panipat who always dreamt of doing this.
Yeah.
I want to know कितनी बार relive किया, and when you're actually reliving it, what's that like?
एक तो मतलब I really believe that when you dream about your like dreams, you're very excited about dreaming, and then you're all very like keen about how will things happen. जब सब कुछ होने लगता है ना, so I really believe that dreams are scary when they come true.
Really? ऐसा
Yeah.
क्यों?
No, because you're never prepared for the outcome. You never are. You can actually imagine things to your own limitations. You have a limitation in your head कि मैं इस scale पे imagine कर सकता हूँ. But the love which I've gotten from Munja, I had never imagined the scale. So that's why it's scary. And I also feel that I had nothing to lose before, but I have something now.
Yeah.
You know. And having said that, of course, I had envisioned it every single day when there was a setback, when there was a no, and which is 99% of my life. And every day, yaar, honestly, Hesha, whenever I felt that no, yaar, I don't think ki that much of a thing can happen in Abhay Verma's life. But that's when I've always dreamt having a trophy in my hand, having an award in my hand, and then I've always imagined the legendary people sitting in front of me and I telling them that this is because of you all. So I've imagined all of those things, and that's happened every day.
You know, Abhay, tell me, what is the life of a guy who probably has zilch connections from the industry but dreams so damn big to become an actor? I really want to be in your shoes and see how does that feel. What's your day like?
Like nowadays?
Or maybe
like-
even before Munja, what was it like when you're actually going through the phase of cracking projects for yourself?
Wow, that's a really nice question. So honestly, I'm not a result-derived person. I don't believe in results. I believe in the process. So the process is what I enjoyed the most. I still do. And with shooting also, shooting is the 10% of the part of my process. 90% is the process. So with every no, with every audition, with every meeting, with every narration, which a new thing has happened in my life. The narrations.
Narration.
So everything of that sort is happening now, yaar. So it first of all it believes it doesn't like it's too good to be true for me. And these are the things which you always think ki, wow. I mean, if that can happen, then wow, it will be something.
Yeah.
So those something karke na, a lot has happened. And I don't think I've gotten those 2 minutes to just reflect back on my life.
Yeah.
Since that Friday, which every actor waits for. And every day has been like, with every no, there's always a yes, which you tell yourself.
Correct.
And that yes should always come from within, and nobody else should be the ownership, should take the ownership of your yes.
Yeah.
That's what you live by, and that's what a struggling actor's fire comes from.
Yeah.
And it has to go with passion. Yeah, a person who always has the passion and zeal to do it, he has for sure the capability of turning all the no's into yes.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Yeah, every day just turning a yes, a no into a yes by myself. So that's a summary. If I could tell you a one-liner.
But कभी ऐसा होता है, like, do you get a little, I don't know, would fed up be the right word, but frustrating, I would say. Like, does it frustrate you at some point in time where you're like, you're really giving it so much, and sometimes you're facing rejections for XYZ reasons, let's say. And then at the same time you have to buck up and tell your own head that listen bro, you have to do this irrespective. Like how do you deal with that thought and emotion?
So there is always, I mean, a couple of times that it's happened that I have really like had a major setback.
Yeah.
Firstly, it happened in the very first meeting. Imagine a boy coming with all his dreams, all his passion, all his naiveness. I would really like to mention that. And imagine a person in the first meeting itself, you get a feeling that, okay, this person is not interested in your work, but is interested in, you know, just taking something out of you.
Yeah.
Or you know, just putting you in a compromising position where
Yeah.
you
I know
understand
what you mean.
what
Yeah,
I'm trying
absolutely.
to say. So the first meeting was a major setback, which made me go back to my hometown. That was a major setback for me. That wow, I mean, I was not really, I was actually feeling a little bit of wow kind of a thing, but in a negative way.
Yeah.
But because that's something which, you know, that the principles and the rules which you are, or the identity that you have, no.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't compromise any of those things for anyone.
True.
Nobody in the world
Yeah.
has the right to do that. And I get to witness that on the very first meeting itself.
Crazy.
That was very heartbreaking. But then, you know, when I went back to Panipat, and then I said to myself that why am I allowing someone to control my emotions,
Yeah.
or to control my passion, to control my zeal,
Yeah.
to act, to entertain people. And so that was one major setback which I can remember right now, which I really pray that nobody gets to experience that ever in life. That's really shattering for a person who, you know, comes from especially outside Bombay, because it's a cultural difference also.
Yeah.
You know, it's not just that you are coming with your dreams and you want to pursue a profession which can only be happen and the best way here.
True.
It also is for the fact that the way you are built in a smaller town is way more different than how you're built, how you're groomed here in Bombay.
Yeah.
The cultural differences are huge. You get to explore a lot of things in college itself, which one otherwise gets to experience sometime later in the midlife crisis. So that is there. Yeah. So this is the one major setback that I can remember of it.
And you know, Bombay life is not easy. Like especially when you're coming from a different place altogether. तुम्हारे पास rent का खर्चा होता है,
बाप रे.
और उसके बाद भाई खाने पीने का खर्चा. Standard of living is next
Next
level
level,
only.
next level.
And then you know when you have to land projects, उसके साथ आपको पैसा भी देखना है. फिर अगर
Yeah.
बीच में gap आ रहा है तो फिर भाई life चली गई, savings खा लो. Oh my God, Abhay, how have you dealt with all of those things? Like I know you've had work. It's not like you've not had work. And
Yeah.
I also want to pay you a compliment. You've been quite a shapeshifter also, because in Safed, I can't recognize the same Abhay sitting over here
Thank
versus
you.
the picture that I have seen of yours, the work that I've seen. I'm just like, oh my God. And another thing is when I saw you dancing in Munjia, I was like, hi. ये अब एकदम से cute है. अब उसके बाद ये भी कर रहा है, अभी हंसा भी रहा है, ये डरा भी रहा है, अब ये नाच भी रहा है. So I was like, that's why I told you, so you are quite a package, man.
Wow.
So, but now this is the praise part of it. Now, but tell me, to get all of that skill sets बढ़ाने के लिए, life चलाने के लिए बॉम्बे में क्या पापड़ बेले in short?
मुझे तो सबसे पहली बार ऑटो ही याद आता है. When I sat in the auto, it said 23 rupees. और पानीपत में तो if you give 20 rupees to ऑटो वाला, you get to travel to another city.
Shit.
मतलब आप सिटी क्रॉस कर सकते हो और यहाँ पे सिर्फ बैठने के उतना पैसा लग रहा है.
23 rupees, I
हाँ.
know.
तो I used to make my best thing. I had actually a amount of auto limit set कि इतना होगा तो मैं ऑटो रुकवा दूंगा and then I'll walk.
ये मैं भी करती थी कॉलेज में.
I see.
This is so me because I used to get pocket money.
Same.
तो अब जैसे 50 रुपए हो गए, उतर.
बस हाँ.
उतर
बस
जाओ.
उसके बाद वॉकिंग है चाहे कितना भी हो, एंड वो ट्रैफिक में भी वो बढ़ता रहता है मीटर.
हाँ.
So I used to pray more than my acting कि भाई ट्रैफिक ना लगे. That I don't get to walk a lot.
Damn. That's a meter anxiety.
Yeah, that's a meter anxiety.
That's
Correct.
meter. So everyone saying, so tell me, ऐसा कभी हुआ you've sat in rickshaw and you had to go for an audition, बारिश हो गई है, look खराब हो गया है, like ये सब ड्रामे हुए हैं?
अरे 100%. मैं पूरा भीग जाता था and that's when I said कि मैं आराम नगर is a place जहाँ पे बहुत पानी भर जाता है.
Yeah.
तो मैं पहले शूज हम पहन के जाते थे, बट मैं फिर चप्पल पहन के जाने लगा. I had to carry my shoe in the bag with the shirt, with the kurta, with the t-shirt and with the check shirt. तो वो एक डेली वेकेशन का जो पैकेज होता था वो हम बैग पैक करते थे and then we used to go out to strive. And that was that year. But yeah, culturally it's culturally though we've spoken, but it's the most practical city I've been.
Yeah, man.
Honestly, Bombay it's 10x to where I belong from.
Yeah.
So it's really difficult. You have to count on the meals that you that you need to have. There are days like that.
Yeah.
And sometimes, yeah, I think just so seems too difficult. It's like मेरे दिमाग में अभी पूरा फिल्म चल रहा है कि क्या क्या आपको
ये भी
बताना
हुआ है,
चाहिए,
ये भी हुआ है.
ये भी हुआ है, वो भी हुआ है. And just taking a nap on the auto while coming back क्योंकि आप इतने थक गए हो. And then some days where you're not able to sleep at all.
Yeah.
So it's really a seesaw of things which Bombay, takes you. It's a roller coaster of a ride, but also that's where magic happens.
Where magic
So
happens.
that's what that's what keeps the city going.
True.
That's the very reason why people in lakhs of amount come here
Yeah.
on a daily basis and goes also. The practicality and the loving side of Bombay. It's really an ironic city.
It is.
honestly.
It's ऐसा है, कभी ऐसा है तो कभी ऐसा है.
100%.
But for an actor, I just feel like because you've seen your fair share of struggle, and struggle never stops. I feel no matter how successful you become, I feel you're constantly struggling, and I think you start competing with your own self then. कि मुझे इससे better करना है, उससे better करना है, and
100%.
all of those thoughts happen. Abhay, I want you to talk to me a little bit more about the fact that जब सक्सेस मिल जाती है, वो recognition मिल जाती है, और let's say in your case you feel it's the onset of it. Okay, so I'm going to frame it like that. Let's say it's the onset of it. Have you seen people around you change who probably must have not given their 100% into your vision and your dream now that Munja has delivered what it did?
Oh. Okay, I'll be very honest here. Yes, people have.
Yeah.
And they have all the reasons. People in this city are not here to make friends.
Yeah.
They are here to, become someone.
Yeah.
And it's only viable. And I also agree to the fact that it's okay if they don't befriend me. It's okay if they don't talk to me in a certain way. It's okay if they don't respect me. The practical side of it is also that you really talk to a designation, but you don't talk to a person.
Correct.
That's the thing. You
That's
talk to a designation always.
Yeah.
That's what happens in the city.
Yeah.
Or a lot of places also.
Yeah.
I'm very sure about it.
Yeah.
But yeah, the designation is what decides how much a person should talk to you, how much a meeting should last,
Yeah.
how much a conversation should go on till. So these are the things, that really matters. And now that you attain certain kind of, success, which I always feel that it's not the last thing and it's not the first thing also.
True.
Success is not the first thing and failure is also not fatal. So that's the thing which I really believe in. And keeping that aside, I really just go on the first day that I came to Bombay.
Yeah.
Because I know this thing, I mean, I would wanted to last it, and I will try my level best to last it for my lifetime.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, things can change here.
Absolutely.
I've learned it from my peers. I've learned it from the inspiration that I've gotten from the personalities like Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh sir, Irfan Khan, Manoj sir. So these are the people who have really taught me in an unknowing way, and without even knowing that Abhay Varma exists in this world. So yeah, I really think one should really go to their initial days and just stick to them, because that's where you're pure.
Yeah.
Most of it, that's where the purity comes, and you should always, I think, the thing which you do from the heart always, travels faster than the things which you do from mind.
That's true.
That's what I really believe.
Did you end up Googling yourself on the day of the release? Like,
क्या हो रहा है? वो क्या मैं?
किया था ना, हम शो थोड़ा तो किया.
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत टाइम से करता आया हूँ. हाँ, बहुत टाइम से honestly करता आया हूँ, and that's one of my dreams. To just be there when anyone searches your name.
Yeah.
And कोई और अभय वर्मा जिसने कभी गूगल पे फोटो डाली है वो भी आ जाता है आपके साथ साथ.
पर अब नहीं आ रहा.
अब I think
अब मैं बताऊँ क्या आ रहा है. अब मैं बताती हूँ क्या आ रहा है. So in the morning I googled Abhay Varma. So obviously other than the articles that we've done, like जो हमने Indian articles की वो तो अलग है. I've seen also other publications also do, and this is one thing which really caught my eye was like, get to know Abhay Varma, Munja actor. I was like, arre. And then there are details. The boy's from Panipat, he's born here, so I know next month is your birthday also now.
Oh yes.
July is your birthday month. So I was like, oh, this is what they've done. They've done full research. I was like, oh, chalo. Wikipedia page is updated, and I was like, love it.
Oh, that's something.
See, that's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there.
But I'll tell you what, Abhay, before I wrap this chat up with you, your success does feel personal in more than many ways. And I'll be very honest with you, not just to me, but to everybody out there who is from the press, who saw the preview.
Oh, sweet.
Because I remember after the film got done, we all had a chat and we discussed the fact that कुछ भी हो जाए, कितने भी debates हो जाए, अगर talent है तो कोई भी अंदर आके अपनी जगह बना सकता है. You know, and that is what I'm telling you, we've unanimously discussed. And to be very honest with you, your talent showed on screen. You see, that's called your shapeshifter also. ऐसा ये पहले इतना घबराया हुआ है, एकदम ऐसा, you know, naive is the word for you. Even in your character, you were all like, you know, पता नहीं how you gonna do the first scene only where you're running away, because that was me in my childhood. Like, अगर doggy दिख जाए और मेरे हाथ में कुछ हो, मैं सब छोड़ के भाग जाऊँगी. And then, you know, your transformation that happens towards the climax. I feel all heart for that, Abhay.
Oh, that's it.
And I see you getting a little water-eyed, but that's true.
Sorry.
No, of course, why not? Please take a moment, have some water.
No, that's fine, I'm fine.
But I remember when I was walking out also, I was like, I have to talk to you, and I have to tell you what you've done deserves appreciation, because it's a tough route. But it doesn't stop here, right?
Absolutely.
It's not going to stop here.
No,
it's probably only going to get tougher. You're a very young guy. You know, you started your career, I think, quite early. Abhi to 25 mein ye movie hai. Uske pehle bhi aap
I agree to that. Yeah.
At this age, do you feel you're really burdening yourself a bit too much, or do you feel this is your passion, और इसके लिए चप्पल भी घिसाना पड़े ना तो मैं कर लूँगा?
Actually, both the things. Both the things, actually. I would like to burden myself every day. That's what I really like to do. Instead of being on the other side, that I'm sitting idle, I'm just looking at faces and then I'm admiring people. I want to be admired. I'm selfishly admitting that.
Yeah.
You know, I want to be, like you said, that thank you for saying that my success feels personal.
It does.
And I would actually like to address this fact again, that it should feel personal, because I'm working for not just myself. It starts from me. I will admit this selfishly also, that acting is something which I do for my own fun.
Yeah.
And then now, because that I am having fun, I can entertain others too.
Yeah.
It can't be that I am not having fun and then I'm trying to entertain people. That won't work. People won't resonate. And thankfully, when you know, I think you also came out of screening and then you said that you are the relatable person, new person who has come in Bollywood, who we can relate to. I think Qayamat se Qayamat tak. I know, I clearly remember what you said, because Aamir Khan has been one person who has really like influenced my life in a huge way. And to be, you know, not even compared, to be, you know, listed in his list, sabse niche, that also will be my biggest award. And I mean, whatever, I mean, Munja has happened, it's not happened for me. I always say that, you know, because it's a boy's film who's just come from a small town, and who was just one difference if I would put myself in third person's perspective, then I would say that Abhay Varma just tried to dream big, that's all.
Yeah.
And this success is for all the people who are sitting in their hometown and just dreaming and contemplating if they will be accepted or not. Yeah. Be it any other vertical, be it acting or be it any other corporate world or whatever, if they want to do the politics, whatever, any vertical. I mean, one should always just believe in the power of dreaming. That's all. That's an example which, I mean, I would like to set out. And it's not personal. I mean, it should be everyone's dream, and it's a win for everyone, not just Abhay Varma's.
Yeah. So but you set a great example. It's important that the world knows about that, and I had to express what I felt. And I did that on behalf of everybody who sat there and spoke to me. And I don't even think मुझे बोलना है, आपसे बहुत सारे लोग मिल चुके हैं through the course of 2 days, and they've come and spoken to you as well. And I think that in itself just shows that, okay, you deserve what you've done. But Abhay, thank you so much
for
pleasure. Removing this time and talking. I feel this is a moment where you need to just switch off, and also, like, after all this is done, just bask in कि चलो मैंने ये कर लिया है कि हो कुछ भी हो गया. But I'm going to keep going forward.
Yeah.
We hope that you keep doing more, and the next time you have a project that you've blocked, you call us and tell us first.
Of course, definitely.
We're like, oh my God, Abhay, yay!
Yes. 100%.
Thank you so much for your time. Awesome chatting with you always.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you so much.
No, of course.